Liquid damage? Let's safely clean corrosion from a MacBook Pro logic board. First, disconnect power, remove the battery if possible, and ground yourself with ESD precautions. Inspect the board under magnification to locate green or white corrosion and affected solder joints. Use 90% plus isopropyl alcohol, soft nylon brushes, lint-free swabs, and a magnifier. Gently brush loose corrosion, then apply alcohol with swabs in small strokes. Don't flood components. Now a quick sped-up cleaning montage as we repeat gentle brushing and swabbing. For stubborn deposits, soak a swab in alcohol and roll, lift residues away, never scrape aggressively. If connectors show green buildup, floss gently between pins with a dampened swab and brush. After cleaning, flush the area with fresh alcohol and remove soaked residue with dry swabs. Dry the board thoroughly with low-pressure air and inspect under magnification for remaining corrosion. Compare before and after, corrosion removed, solder joints and traces clear and clean. Reassemble only when fully dry. If in doubt, consult a professional technician.